TCS, TUDIP Digital and Sensei is doing mass hiring which is absolutely for fresher. In this video, I will tell you 3 biggest mass hiring. Graduate engineer, trainee, software QA engineer role is there, so please watch till end. But the main thing you have to understand that before that, I will tell you about Cognizant assessment and Geo's learning interview did not happen. Yes, you heard it right. So in this video, first understand that Cognizant invites you to take communication assessment. They are releasing test assessments also because these are phase wise. We already discussed about earlier that these are because Cognizant is doing phase wise hiring, so you have to just apply for that hiring and prepare for the test assessment and interview, but don't wait for that, just apply for other hirings also. If first phase, second phase is complete, you will get to easily see the assessment mail in your mail, but don't waste time to refreshing mail and doing comments that I did not receive the assessment mail, interview mail. You have to wait for that because phase wise hiring is doing. So communication assessment 60 minutes, you all know, and this is not elimination round maybe, but you have to see everything in this mail, mandatory prerequisite. So please read this. The candidate received this mail 3 p.m. so don't wait for these hirings, just apply for this and prepare for this. अगर तुम निकाल ही नहीं पाओगे असेसमेंट तो तुम्हारा क्या ही मतलब है रिफ्रेश करने का और कमेंट करने का दैट आई एम नॉट रिसीविंग असेसमेंट मेल, और फिर वो आ जाता है तो तुम फिर क्लियर नहीं कर पाते हो. सो इसमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है. सो द फर्स्ट अपडेट इज फ्रॉम Cognizant which I already told you. So the next biggest opportunity we all see from Geo's learning, but in this hiring बहुत कुछ अजीब हो रहा है. Like some of candidates got assessment mail but assessment is postponed. Now QA engineer interview mail is received from one of our subscriber and tomorrow 3:30 to 4 p.m. इनका interview था, and you can see that joining meeting in Google Meeting, and this mail was came April 16th. So you can see that everything is written here that you have to download this and this. So QA interview is there, but I talked to this candidate after 4 p.m. that you attend this interview and what question interviewer was asked to you, but he said no interviewer joined in Microsoft meeting. It means the interview was postponed and you have to send the follow-up mail, reply to the mail that I did not attend the interview because no interview joined the meeting and I wait until 4 p.m. but no one came and take my interview. So maybe they will reschedule their interview because many of candidates receive the interview mail but interview does not happen. So you just need to give the follow-up mail, send reply that I did not complete with my interview because no one joined the meeting. So please reschedule my interview. Maybe they are doing something because काफ़ी लोगों ने assessment नहीं दिया है and assessment also postponed. So time लग रहा होगा काफ़ी, कुछ तो रीज़न है इसका. बट Geo's Learning is amazing company and you will get to see the online assessment, reschedule online assessment and reschedule of your interview also. Just जितना हो सकता है रिप्लाई करो, जिनको आया है वही करना. डोंट डू दिस दैट यू आर पुटिंग Geo's Learning ईमेल एंड रिफंड में तुम बस उनको मेल कर रहे हो. अगर तुम्हें रिसीव हुआ है असेसमेंट और एन इंटरव्यू एंड डिड नॉट हैपन मींस योर ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट एंड इंटरव्यू वाज पोस्टपोन्ड, देन ओनली सेंड द रिप्लाई टू देम दैट प्लीज रीशेड्यूल माय ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट एंड रीशेड्यूल माय इंटरव्यू. तो ये कुछ बात बन जाएगी, बट आई विल गिव यू अपडेट वेन एवर आई नो दैट ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट एंड इंटरव्यू rescheduled. So please subscribe our channel for this. So the mass hiring is coming from TCS. TCS is doing absolutely hiring for 24 and 25 batch, but the main thing you have to understand that 11th May is the last date of applying for this hiring and test date will be communicated. Means very soon they will announce the test date. Just you have to need to be registered first and understand that who can apply. Only BSc and BCA, BSc and BVoc students are eligible and all branches are eligible, which is written here, and 24 and 25 batch are eligible, and 50% throughout in academic you must have, and any backlog if you have you can read the paragraph here and you can see that nothing mandatory is written here. Just hiring category you have to see that TCS BCS hiring has 2 categories like Ignite and Smart hiring. So this hiring is TCS BCS Smart hiring. So you have to understand that what is the test pattern because this is different hiring. So you need to understand that only numerical, verbal, reasoning, these are mandatory 3 sections which you will see in assessment which have a duration of 120 minutes and 4 sections are there, but only 3 sections are mandatory and coding is optional. So this is not mandatory, only 30% chances there that you will get to see the coding, but these are mandatory. You must prepare for numerical ability, verbal, reasoning. So please prepare for that using YouTube and geek for geeks, don't buy any course, everything is free of cost. This online assessment will happen in on site, means if you have to go to the nearest center and attend this online assessment. You can also read from here, like I can tell you that, yeah, you can see that earliest to select your preferred test center, means your assessment will be held in test center and you will get to easily see the everything, each detail in your mail. So give that mail which is active and which you use personally, ताकि वो तुम मेल तुरंत देख सको, तुम्हें ढूंढना ना पड़े. Follow the scenario B, means if you are a new user, kindly click on register now and choose IT. You have to choose IT from here, means click on IT, then you have to apply for this hiring. Please ensure that the detail in the TCS application form are complete and accurate. तो ये चीज़ का तो ध्यान देना ही है. एंड ये सिलेक्ट योर मोड ऑफ टेस्ट इन सेंटर, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट रिसीव द असेसमेंट टेस्ट डेट एंड ईच एंड एवरी information in your mail. तो ये चीज़ का भी ध्यान रखना है. So you can fill this form, you all know how to fill, so please fill ASAP as soon as possible. And if you have any query and you are getting any error while registering, so please do comment, I will check, but please read these more information if you want to read, but I already told you mandatory part, so skip this and don't waste your time, just go and hit the apply now button. So the biggest mass hiring is coming from TudeIp Digital. TudeIp Digital is doing graduate engineer trainee hiring, which is absolutely for freshers. You can see here full-time opportunity, no internship is there, only full-time opportunity, which is very great thing. And location is Pune, but the main thing is nothing is mentioned here, like only BE, BTech, Computer Science, IT, IMCA degree is eligible. This is mandatory thing, you have to understand, and you already understand this, so just apply for this hiring. But the main thing you have to must add in your resume algorithm and data structure. भले ही उसके आगे ब्रैकेट में बेसिक लिख दो, बट प्लीज ऐड एल्गोरिथम डेटा स्ट्रक्चर इन योर resume and any programming, database, backend, front end, database, and any like GitHub, project management tool, Jira. These are very basic things. Like if you are going for a software engineer role, this is also software engineer role type role, because you are a fresher, then they are giving you a trainee role title, but after that you will get to see the software engineer role, and in trainee role you will do same thing which you will do in software engineer roles. So please add this domain in your resume to get shortlist. And you can see that Java Spring is written here, means your summary and your responsibilities and your required skill is Java Spring Hibernate. Please add this domain in your resume. So you have to understand, you will do Java and using Spring Boot in backend, means you must know about database also, and if you are working with backend, then you must know about API also. तुम समझ रहे हो, पूरा चेन बनी हुई है भाई, इसलिए मैं तुमको कह रहा हूँ बैक एंड, फ्रंट एंड, रेस्टफुल एपीआई, डेटाबेस, ये सब ऐड करना. ये नहीं कि यहाँ पर सिर्फ ये चीज़ दी एल्गोरिथम, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एंड यू विल गेट टू सी द शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग में. नो, इसमें क्या ही कराएंगे, किस में करोगे तुम डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम, ये तो बताओ पहले. इसलिए यहाँ पर पूरा रीड किया करो. रीड करने की वैसे ज़रूरत नहीं है, जस्ट सी वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल एंड. आई ऑलवेज टोल्ड यू अबाउट स्किल्स, बैचेस, डिग्री, ब्रांचेस, रिक्वायर्ड स्किल्स, इवन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तक मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ. सो प्लीज़ वीडियो को टिल वॉच किया करो एंड तक. सो द नेक्स्ट बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम Sensai, which is also a good and biggest opportunity for you. Software engineer, QA engineer role is there, Pune location is there, full-time opportunity. But the main thing is experience in QA testing manual, means 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. This is also for freshers is eligible, but first you have to take referral. Like, subscribe our channel, first go and watch this video which I already uploaded yesterday. All branches, batches, degrees, students are eligible. Go and apply for this hiring. Thanks for watching.